Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Huawei P40 Lite. So first of all, we need next to the phone the pin, and the pin is part of the box. To remove the SIM tray we will need it, and it's here in the instruction box. There's a little card in there. It looks like this, and yeah, then you just fold it like this and remove it like that. So yeah, and otherwise you could use also of course the edge of a paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray there's a small hole in there, and with the edge of the pin or the paper clip, you will enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. So let's start with the first SIM card. You will put it like this here. So missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts are below. Okay, and in case you want to put a second SIM card, you put it here at this position. Also missing corner at missing corner. And the contacts are below. Please mind, if you add the second SIM card, you are not able to extend the internal storage with an SD card. But I will show you, as I said, here this two SIM card version. And after you put back your construction into the phone like this, and it's done. Yo, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. Would be really helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. Would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.